Hello folks, this is just a quick introduction. This is the third of a video from the other day when I was out. The other two have been released, and as usual the battery failed. So here's me riding along towards my next destination. I start telling you a story about the Honda Deauville and the road I'm about to go on, and how the Deauville didn't really like it. It was sliding and slipping all over the place, and I thought it can't be as bad, but actually it turned out to be probably worse. It was almost the first time I've dropped a bike. It doesn't look much on the video, but the bike wobbled quite a bit, front and back wheels. Anyway, that's just a short intro. Needless to say, the roads were really terrible, lots and lots of mud that made riding quite difficult. Alright, let's go and have a look at it. Okay, I don't know how much of that. My battery went flat. I was expecting it to go flat, but normally I get a little indicator to say the battery's low. Let's start again. Right, this is a little road I've not been on since the days of my Honda Deauville. And I was saying that I was actually cacking my brakes coming down here because the Honda Deauville hated it. The back end was sliding all over the place in certain places. But we'll see how the NC750X handles it. So it's been, I don't know, 4 years since I've been here. We are getting a bit of rain, of course. Let me clean the wind. It's blowing through. Don't know what that is above there. I don't think it's a railway line. It might have been at one time, but not now. But you never know, eh? There we go, a wee wave from the cyclist. Look at the size of that ditch. You wouldn't want to fall down there, would you? Obviously for drainage. Because we've had a lot of water. Now there's another little road that I want to take. You see, this is the bit where I almost lost it. Don't panic! Don't panic! Yeah. This is how I remember it. It's not changed. Holy Moses. Yeah, that's a dodgy one. Nah, it was alright though. Well, that should make for some good viewing. I think that's the worst of it now, if I recall. Well, since I've come back, I don't know, it's 5 years ago now since I come back. That's the nearest I've come to coming off a motorcycle while riding it. I have dropped it once doing a UE, but that was completely my mistake. Right, this is not much better, is it? For a second I thought we were going down. It's amazing how you don't panic though, isn't it? It's just, you just, right, what we've got to do, keep it upright, and you're through it. If you panic there and hit brakes and do all kinds of things, you're going to come off it. Just let it roll, the bike find its own way. Well, that was exciting.
here we are here. Now, I can't remember how far along. I think it's okay. I think we'll go right. And that's the one we came out earlier on, so it's this one. I'm looking for the other road that I found that I'd never been on that takes us up and over this hill. And I think it's this crossroads here. This is the one we're going to go down anyway. Look at the muck on this road. Jeez, oh man. Jeez, oh. Right, let's go down this one. This is the one. I've not been down this road either, so let's see what kind of mess this is. Hopefully we'll get some stunning views. Rain to the left, sun to the right. Guess where we're going? Here we go. Certainly a good view, but my goodness me, the roads are in a state. Look at the rain. There's meant to be snow over there. I was looking at the forecast and that's why I came south today, because this part of the world's not supposed to get any rain according to the forecast. Take that with a pinch of salt if you will. Oh, it's getting greyer and greyer by the minute. Marino Abbey. I'm going to take you down there one day. However, not today, because I want to get the drone up and it's blowing a big... and it's too blinking cold as well. Although my feet are toasty and my hands are toasty. In fact, my hands are as hot as they've ever been on a motorbike. Lovely. These muffs are brilliant. I don't feel like they're getting in the way at all. A couple of things I could probably do to tighten them up and get them to stay in one place a bit longer, but for now they are working well. Now, this is a road I've never been down. Let's go and have a look. Another new road. Actually, you know what? It feels familiar. I think I might have been here before. Right, well, we'll see. Oh, what a mess. What a mess. Boop. It's a mucky one. Yeah, new boat and pond. Well,
and there we go. Now, the roads were in a shocking condition. I've never seen them so bad. I mean, we've had so much rain. You could see the pond that's on the left hand side there. I've never seen them as bad as this. That's simply because everything is so sodden, and the farm guys doing their job, going in and out, taking them onto the road, and it is absolutely caked. It made riding quite difficult at times, and like you saw there, nearly came off, but didn't panic, didn't grab the brakes or do anything like that, just let it find its own way. So this is me heading back to Wormit. It's been a great day's riding. I've been out all day. The heated socks worked wonderfully well. The muffs that I've got there, I first saw them when 5D Traveller Mick had them, and I got a set of these from my daughter for my Christmas, and they are a great success. Really enjoying using them. Alright, thank you very much, and hopefully you enjoyed this little series of videos. Till the next time, bye now.